Here's how to use the ultra wide camera on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone, either in the camera app, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever it may be, you can always use that wide camera angle, which basically gives you a broader perspective on what's going on, sort of a fisheye lens. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Let's open up the camera app on your iPhone and say you're gonna take a photo, or let's switch over to a video. All you have to do is take your fingers and take two fingers and pinch them in. You can see it will switch to an ultra wide camera angle. You can see there's a whole lot more information and content that's in this video now that I can record. And of course, you can do the same thing on Instagram, on Snapchat. You can always just swipe over to the right and again, take your fingers, pinch them in, and it'll switch to that ultra wide camera mode. Of course, you can always zoom back in if you want to, but that allows you to get a lot more content that's really useful and good for any kind of selfies. It really captures a lot more perspective and background if you're taking a selfie. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.